Are you looking for the best cordless drill in 2026? Stick with me, because these picks will save you a lot of time and money. After digging through hundreds of products, these are the top 4 drills actually worth buying, and each one serves a different purpose. In first place, Ryobi 1 Plus Right Angle Drill. This is the ultimate solution for tight spaces. Its compact design lets you work in spots a regular drill simply can't reach. Number 2. Craftsman V20 Max Combo Kit, best value for money. Perfect for beginners or home use, delivering solid performance at a great price. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit. This one's a beast, high power, pro-level performance, and it even includes an impact driver. If you need something tough that'll last for years, this is a no-brainer. And finally, number 4. Bosch 12V Right Angle. Drill lightweight, smart, and perfect for precision work. If comfort and control matter to you, you're going to love this one. Check the links for specs and current pricing. Ready to build faster? Let's drill in. Product 1. Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18-volt compact, brushless 3/8-inch right-angle drill tool only. A tiny 3.6-inch head sneaks into corners and cabinets. The right-angle gear gets you square to fasteners, and the brushless motor keeps it efficient inside the 1 Plus platform. Power and speed. Up to 350 inch-pounds of torque with 2 mechanical ranges, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,700 RPM. That covers cabinetry installs, pocket hole work, driving in tight stud bays, and overhead bracket jobs. Expect confident drilling in softwood and pilot holes in sheet metal when space is the enemy. Ergonomics and control. A paddle trigger lets you feather speed from any grip, and the 3/8-inch single-sleeve chuck with knurling tightens bits securely. Variable speed is smooth, the onboard LED lights deep cavities, and the compact head reduces wrist bend when you square the bit at a right angle. Platform and runtime. It's part of the 1 Plus 18-volt ecosystem, over 260 tools, so your existing batteries and chargers fit. Brushless efficiency runs cooler and extends motor life. And runtime scales with pack size. Swap a 2 amp hour for light trim, or a 4 to 6 amp hour for all-day punch list work. Pros: ultra-compact reach, excellent low-speed control from the paddle trigger, bright LED, and strong value if you're already on 1 Plus. Cons: tool only, batteries sold separately, torque is lower than a full-size hammer drill, and it's not the pick for big augers or large hole saws. Price, and who it's for. Typical street is $94.99, best for electricians, cabinet installers, HVAC techs, and DI years who work in cramped spaces and need clean, square access. Verdict: compact, brushless access tool that trades brute force for precision where space is tight. Pick 2. Craftsman V20 Max Combo, drill driver plus impact driver, 2 V20 batteries, charger, and a zip bag. Both tools add bright LED work lights. It's a complete starter kit to get you from unbox to build in one run. Drill driver, model CMCD 700 up to 300 UWO for everyday power. 2-speed gearbox 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,500 RPM. Half-inch ratcheting chuck grips bits tight from spade to hex. Compact housing slips into cabinets, shelves, and tight studs for clean pilot holes and hinge installs. Impact driver, model C, MCF 800, up to 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, 2,800 RPM, and 3,100 IPM for bite. One-handed bit load is quick. Choose impact for deck screws, lag bolts, and stubborn fasteners. Less cam out, more control in dense lumber. Ergonomics and runtime. Contoured handles, lightweight and balanced centers keep wrists fresh. Swap the V20 batteries between tools in seconds. Charge 1, run 1. LEDs punch through dim garages and crawl spaces so your pilot marks, screw heads, and studs stay visible. Pros: a complete 2-tool setup, real value, and solid everyday power. The drill covers pilots and hole saws up to light duty. The impact rips through deck screws and bracket installs. Cons: non-brushless motors and smaller capacity packs mean shorter runtime and more charging. Heavy framing or big augers may require an upgrade. Price lands around $99 on promo. Who's it for? Renters and homeowners assembling furniture, hanging shelves, and running deck screws on weekends. Quick verdict: a trustworthy starter combo that punches above price, with clear paths to bigger batteries or brushless later. If you need compact, reliable, and ready-to-work tools today, this V20 kit is the no-brainer start. Charge, click, and build. Pick number 3, DEWALT 20-volt max drill driver plus impact driver combo. Compact, lightweight, work-ready. Both tools have built-in LEDs for dark corners, quick bit changes, and a soft-sided carrying bag that keeps the kit tidy between jobs and weekend projects. Drill first. Up to 300 UWO for confident everyday power, a half-inch ratcheting chuck for solid bit grip, and a compact 7.5-inch length that fits between studs and into cabinets without fighting the tool. The clutch offers precise control for clean fastener seating. Expect smooth holes in softwood with spade bits and light hole saw work in plywood, ideal for cabinet hardware, pilot holes, and general install tasks without overdriving. Impact driver, up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque with a quarter-inch hex quick-load chuck. At about 5.55 inches long, it sneaks into tight framing and under sinks while driving structural and deck screws efficiently. Applications: lag screws into studs, structural screws in treated lumber, and medium hardware installs. The quick change collet speeds bit swaps from nut drivers to driver bits when you're jumping between tasks on a small punch list. Control and features: the LED has a helpful afterglow delay for visibility, belt clips keep tools at hand on ladders, and the grips balance weight well for longer sessions. Both run on the DEWALT 20-volt max platform, batteries you can share across tools. Pros: reliable brand support, strong ecosystem compatibility, compact bodies that work in tight spaces, and straightforward controls. Cons: this kit may use brushed motors, pricing sites above some entry options, and absolute torque isn't at flagship levels. Price on sale around $138.99. Best for serious DIYers and contractors who want a light, dependable kit for everyday installs, punch list work, and fast cabinet or hardware jobs, without hauling heavier, high-end gear. Product 4, Bosch PS 11102, a 12-volt max right-angle drill Dodge driver kit, ultra-compact body, 3/8-inch auto-lock chuck. Kit includes 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger. The pivot head articulates from 90 to 180 degrees for tight space work. Performance: up to 115 inch-pounds of torque and 0 to 1,300 RPM with a variable speed trigger. It shines in cabinetry, appliance installs, electrical boxes, and light plumbing brackets, pilot holes, pocket screws, outlet cuts, and hardware swaps. Not for large hole saws or structural boring. Reach tool first, heavy hitter second. 5-position head lets you index the nose precisely. 90, 115, 135, 160, 180 degrees. So you can reach behind beams, inside cabinets, between studs, and under dashboards. Low-profile gearbox and slim grip keep your wrist neutral, reducing strain while you steer the screw or bit in cramped runs. Control stack, finely featherable trigger, crisp electric brake to stop the bit instantly, perfect for serial screw driving and flush seating. The 3/8-inch auto-lock chuck speeds one-handed bit changes. Electronics include electronic cell protection to prevent over-discharge and overheating for longer pack life. Pros: best-in-class access, light at roughly 2.75 pounds with battery, precise low-speed control, and clean stops. LED work light and belt hook help in dark cabinets. Cons: lower torque than 18 or 20-volt drills, slower on big spade bits, and niche outside heavy carpentry and framing. Price hovers around $159 for the kit, best for installers, electricians, HVAC techs, and hobbyists who work in cramped spaces. Verdict: if access wins you time, the PS 11102 is the right-angle problem solver to keep in the bag.